Alright, hi again there in YouTube land. This is my 2002 Buick LeSabre. It's got the 3800 motor in it. I'm going to be replacing the fuel pressure regulator vacuum line assembly because I repaired that one and I was just a temporary fix until I could get the real part to replace it with. But first thing you got to do is remove the shield, and you have to take this, it's like a filler nozzle, off, and then you just lift up on the front and pull the back out through the little, there's a little bracket back there that holds the back of this bracket in. You just pull that out and it comes right off. Set that off to the side. This is the purge valve relay, purge valve solenoid. It runs to the fuel tank and to the intake for the motor. But this is the part that was snapped off right here, and I tried to fix it temporarily so I could wait for the part to be delivered to my house. But to take this thing off, you have to pull it off. There's a little metal nipple back there that holds on that hose. You can see it if I, where's that? It goes right on that, right there. Pull that off. And this is the fuel pressure regulator. Just pull it off there. And the same thing, it's got the same type of a little nipple on there that holds that on there, and then you press these two tabs on this thing to get it off. So you have to press these. There's two tabs that are on the side of that bracket right there. You can see them if I turn it over. You just press on the sides of that thing and pull it off. And it should just leave a little bare nipple like that. Alright, so you got the whole thing loose, and you put it on the same way that it came off. And I'll show you how to install it here in a second. I'm going to put these videos together and post them on YouTube and everybody can watch it. Alright, hi again. Here's the replacement brand new part right there. Brand new. It's ready to be installed. Looks pretty good compared to the one that I had to fix the other day. But it just snaps on just like the other one. I'll show you here. Make sure you put this underneath the other hose like it was before. And make sure it goes underneath this other purge line valve, and then it'll fit in there better. So you take this and it just snaps on there like that, and then take this one. I'm going to put this one on easier because it seems like it lines up better, and you just line it up on that nipple and push it back on there, all the way back to where it seats up against that. And you're going to take this one and plug it on to there. Make sure it seats all the way on there. So there we go. It's installed. Now hopefully I won't have that problem anymore. Looks like it's going to work just fine. All right. Thanks for watching.